You may be familiar with traditional farms that raise cows, chickens, or pigs, but today, Noal Farm will introduce you to a completely different model. Not only does this farm provide donkey meat, a highly nutritious food source, but it also focuses on donkey milk, which is renowned for its high value in the cosmetics and functional food industries. With a professional farming model like this, the farm can supply hundreds of tons of donkey meat, thousands of liters of milk, and enough hides each year to produce a wide range of high-value products. So, follow me as we explore this unique journey. As they grow, young donkeys are gradually introduced to supplementary foods like ground cornmeal and bran mixed straw. These easy-to-digest feeds support the healthy development of their digestive systems. Donkeys are also given mineral salt licks, not only to supplement essential trace elements, but also to stimulate saliva production, aid digestion, and naturally cleanse the mouth. Maintaining consistent oral hygiene keeps the donkeys healthy, ensures good appetite, and minimizes digestive issues or weight loss. The trucks are specially designed with non-slip floors, high side barriers, and ventilation systems to help maintain the donkey's stability and comfort throughout the journey. The entire process is supervised by a team of technicians and veterinarians to ensure that the transport is carried out safely and in full compliance with live animal transport standards. The hides are soaked, washed, and purified to eliminate impurities before being air-dried naturally or dehydrated in a temperature-controlled environment to preserve the quality of the collagen fibers. The dried hides are then transported to processing facilities where gelatin is extracted. After about 30 to 60 minutes, the milk transforms into a soft curd. This curd is then cut into evenly sized small pieces to release the whey, followed by gentle stirring. The most distinctive step is the stretching and kneading process. The curd is heated to around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius and then stretched into long, smooth strands, giving the cheese its unique texture and character. Donkey meat is not only a nutritious food source, but it is also used to create a variety of unique specialty dishes, most notably herb-infused braised donkey meat. After being thoroughly cleaned, the donkey meat is slow cooked for several hours to preserve its natural sweetness and maintain a firm, tender texture. The chef then marinates the meat with a blend of spices and herbs such as star anise, cinnamon, Sichuan pepper, ginger, scallions, garlic, and Shaoxing wine, creating a rich aromatic flavor deeply rooted in Eastern culinary tradition. And now, let's continue exploring sustainable agricultural models together in our next journey. On any given day, the deer are cared for through a strict process, from the herbs in their diet to each sleep in the quiet farm. What they seek is not meat nor skin, but velvet antler, the soft gold of Eastern medicine. Deer farming is an industry focused on obtaining antlers and meat, with millions of deer raised across the country annually to supply traditional medicine and gourmet cuisine. Join me to discover the strange journey of velvet gold, from the farms to today's laboratories in this video. The farmers start their work by rolling wheat straw into round bales, which serves as an important source of roughage in the deer's diet. The straw is then brought into the pens and evenly distributed into each feeding trough. This ensures each deer gets its share of natural fiber, which helps support digestion. During the antler velvet harvesting process, mature deer are gently guided from the grazing pasture into a specialized harvesting pen. The harvesting pen is specially designed with a narrow space, just enough to keep the deer still, minimizing movement and panic reactions throughout the handling process. Once completely dry, the antlers are fed into a system that grinds them into a fine powder. This powder can then be used directly or further processed into various product forms, such as tablets, capsules, liquid extracts, or tonics. Medicated wine isn't just a drink. It's a wondrous combination where wine acts as the guide and medicine provides the essence. In addition to the use of deer antlers, deer meat is also a highly sought-after product in the Chinese market. The processing of deer meat begins with the slaughter, which is carried out under strict control to ensure hygiene and meat quality. Additionally, deer antler velvet baths are a traditional therapy sought by many, believed to offer significant health and beauty benefits. This therapy has also gained global recognition, utilizing extracts from deer antler velvet or even fresh deer antler velvet. And so, we've reached the end of our journey exploring Sika deer farming, understanding how tradition and modern technology are combined to optimize both yield and quality. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next adventure together.